dear kids, now today we will listen, repeat and sing a beautiful poem, Mary Had a Little Lamb. Now start.
Unit 5. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Its fleece was white as snow. They everywhere had that Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go, sure to go, sure to go. The lamb was sure to go, sure to go, sure to go. It flew her to school on day, on day. It flew her to school on day. That was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school, at school, at school. To see a lamb at school, it made the children laugh